Hi lovely Year 2s, here is a recap of Wednesday's maths lesson. So yesterday's maths lesson we identified 3D shapes. Today's maths lesson we looked at the properties of 2D shapes. And we use these 3 words when we're describing the properties. So we have faces, edges and corners. Let's go through each of those. So a face, all 3D shapes have a face. So a face is the big surface area. So if I have a look at my 2 examples down here, I've got a cuboid. This is a face, so that's one face. And I've got a cylinder and I have a face there as well. An edge, all 3D shapes have an edge apart from a sphere. Now an edge is where 2 faces meet. So if again I have a look at my 3D shapes, on my cuboid I have an edge here, I have another edge here and another edge here, and on my cylinder I have an edge here and I have an edge here as well. The last one we're going to look at is vertices or corners. Now a vertice is where 2 edges meet. It comes to a point. All 3D shapes have vertices apart from a sphere. So if we have a look again at my cuboid, I've got a vertice here, a vertice here, a vertice here and a vertice here. I don't have any vertices on my cylinder. So what I would like you to do today, guys, is you are going to look at some 3D shapes and name their properties. So if we have a look at the example of a cylinder, let's see how many faces the cylinder has. So I've got 1, 2, because this is one long face that goes all the way around, 3. So a cylinder has 3 faces. Let's see how many edges it has. So it's got an edge here where 2 faces meet and an edge here where 2 faces meet. So it has 2 edges. It does not have any vertices because the edges don't meet. So what I would like you to do today is on a piece of paper, I would like you to write down the names of the shapes and how many edges, faces and vertices they have. And if you're feeling up for the challenge, you could have a go at drawing the 3D shape as well, guys.